Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you my vanity setup and my makeup collection. So first off, here is where I do my videos and do my makeup, and I believe this desk is from IKEA, and then I have my stool that I sit on. So right here, this is a new item for me, but this is a ring light. You can use it for your phone or a normal video camera, but I really like it. And then I have this makeup mirror. I don't remember where it's from because a company sent it to me. I'll have to look, but it's really nice and you charge it and it's perfect. And then I have some of my everyday stuff. Here, we'll go through the drawer first. So in these drawers, I just have these organizers, which I probably need to reorganize because I have a lot of stuff in here. This is more products that I use every day. Like I'll have different face products, concealers, blushes, highlighters, stuff like that, mascaras. Yeah, this drawer has a lot. So it even goes back. So yes. Oh, and then I have one of my favorite palettes, which is the original Naked palette, but they don't make it anymore. So also really like this one. I'm dropping stuff. This is the Urban Decay Naked Basics. But yeah, I just have some different stuff in there. Then this one is not even organized. This is just random stuff. I have these graphic liner palettes and I love them. I have random blush, random hair clips. Yeah, this stuff is just very random. Now over here, this is where I keep most of my eye brushes, and I usually use ColourPop or Morphe brushes. They're my favorite, but yeah, I just have this little cup. And then over here I have some more brushes. These are mostly face brushes. Totally forgot that I had more brushes up here. I just have a lot of brushes apparently. And this is all the lighting I use for my videos. Usually open my windows, but that is all I usually use. So I'm going to show you these drawers. I think these are called Muji acrylic drawers. But yeah, I just have, let me move that light so it doesn't blind you. But yeah, I have a bunch of lip products, ColourPop, AOA, Maybelline, MAC lipsticks, Maybelline lipsticks, NYX Lip Lingerie, Essence, AOA. I have Wet n Wild, Anastasia, ColourPop. And then I have a bunch of Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks. As you can see, they're my favorite. So I have a bunch of them. Then in here I have Lime Crime, Too Faced, AOA. Then here I have some Buxom lip glosses and Milani blushes, Maybelline lip glosses. I have a bunch of ColourPop lippy sticks, ColourPop Just a Tint, NYX, Wet n Wild, more lippy sticks from ColourPop. And then let me move my makeup mirror and I'll show you what I have. Here I have eyeliners, freckle pen, liquid liners, and in here I have more lip liners, eye primers, eyebrow products, liquid liners. So that's what I have in there. And then these drawers are really deep and I love them because you can stand up products. I have primers, sunscreen, moisturizer, those type of products. And you can actually see them. So I really do like that. Same with this drawer. I just have foundations in here. That's my foundation drawer. But yeah, I love it. So, and in here I keep my favorite brush cleaner. This is like a quick dry and rinse free formula. It's like a spot brush cleaner. I can like spray it directly on my brush and wipe it off and use it right then and there. Like I don't have to wait for it to dry. You can get this at Sephora, but it's so good. And I keep it in this little spray bottle because it's just easier that way. But then if we move over here, let me show you. I keep my ColourPop palettes in this CD case holder. These are the 9-pan palettes from ColourPop. They're not every single one I own, but these are just some that I keep on my desk here. And I absolutely love it. So that is just some of them. And yeah, I really love my setup here. And usually I'll just open my blinds, or yeah, I'll just open my window up when I film videos and turn my ring light on and all of that. So now we're going to move to my Alex 9 drawers and show you my full-on makeup collection. Alright, so this is my Alex 9 drawer, and this is where I store most of my makeup. So if we go up here, I have some ColourPop Super Shock Cheeks, some highlighters, some foundations that are too dark for me right now. They're like summer shades, NARS blushes, you know, different highlighters and stuff like that. Powders, bronzers, it's all there. But yeah, it's just like a random drawer. Then this one, I have different palettes. This is Pat McGrath palette, Morphe, Lorac. I believe this is, yeah, Morphe, Jaclyn Hill. Then I have Morphe, one of these rainbow palettes. And then I have the James Charles palette, a bunch of these palettes in here. Since they're quite big, then I have some NARS palettes. Then in here I have a bunch of ColourPop Super Shock shadows. I love them. They're so unique, so different. I just love them. They're beautiful. Some NYX little palettes, Wet n Wild little palettes. I have the Balm Meet Matte. Does anyone remember this palette? Then I have the NYX Ultimate Shadow palettes. These are really nice. I like them. I have the bright one too. But yeah, they're really good. And then I have some NYX here. Then I have these LA Girl Liquid Shadows. Then here I have a bunch of ColourPop palettes. We don't want to go through all of them, but I do have a video of my whole entire ColourPop collection on my TikTok. So I will link my TikTok in the description. But yeah, I just have a bunch of ColourPop palettes. Then if you go to the next drawer, I have even more. This one isn't as filled up, but definitely have more palettes in here. Then this is kind of like a lot of cheek stuff. Anastasia, Aurora. I remember this palette that I loved, the Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette. Then I have Moonchild from Anastasia. I have Fenty Beauty, NARS, Heart, BH Cosmetics, Too Faced. Yeah, I got a lot. And then in here I just have random palettes. Too Faced, Lifestay Festival. Then I have some BH Cosmetics. What is this one? This is Profusion Festival palette. Another BH palette. If you ever want me to do reviews, tutorials, get ready with me with any of these products, please let me know. Even if it's just for like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, let me know. And then I have more palettes in here. I have a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. This is, everyone remember this one? Modern Renaissance. Then I have Subculture. I have the Naked palettes. Naked 2. And then Naked 3. And Naked Honey. Yeah, I have Naked Honey. Then I have a bunch of the Too Faced like gingerbread palettes. I have those two. Then I have the chocolate bonbon palette, chocolate melted chocolate, or no, chocolate gold. Then this is the sweet peach palette. I have a bunch of different ones, different palettes in here. Hopefully you can see everything. But oh, here's more Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Huda Beauty. This is the Mercury Retrograde and the New Nude by Huda Beauty. Yeah, I have a lot of different palettes, like I said. Then in here, Urban Decay, Laura Geller. This is Violet Voss. I have Juvia's Place palettes, which I love them. And then I have some older like Kat Von D palettes. And yeah, this is another Kat Von D. I have a few Jeffree Star palettes. And these little Huda Beauty mini palettes. And yeah, that's basically my makeup collection. I used to have so much more than this, and I'll go through it every so often and just get rid of things that I don't want, and I've sold a few things as well. But yeah, that's my makeup collection. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, so thought I would update. And no, I did not buy this all at once. I have been collecting makeup since I was like 16, and I'm 32 years old now. And makeup is a hobby and a passion of mine. I love trying new products. I just love makeup, and it's therapeutic to me. I love that you can express yourself in so many different ways. It helps me with anxiety. Makeup is a form of art to me, and I just love it. So we all have things that we love, and I just love makeup. So I hope you liked this makeup collection video, and let me know if you've tried any of these products or you want videos on anything, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye everyone.